This is the skinny Palmicus about to learn how to...
You're taping.
About to learn how to put together the K2 Explorer 2-person kayak.
Otherwise known as the canoe.
All right. What say you? Open it, fool! Better put that sharp knife away before he gets any ideas. Oh, it does have a case.
Oh shoot, that didn't sound good.
You broke it.
Try not to do that.
You don't have a receipt.
This is your high output double quick air pump.
Oh, okay then. See what the pump says to do.
Well, we haven't said anything. We need to spread your canute out.
Spread your canute, girl. Air it out. There's your number 2. So
this one here is number 3.
3.
And here's 4. And here's 5.
But these, you know what? Do you see how much number 4 blows up?
Right.
Basically just that rim. It doesn't even matter. But basically you need to do the floor first, because there's your number 1. So put your pump in there.
The pump goes like this.
Uh-huh.
Because you can put your foot on it. Like this.
Uh-huh.
I'm glad I got a petty today.
Ugh, that's your petty.
Now, these are these are fittings that fit the different sizes of the...
Zachary.
There's 2 different, see that, George?
Yep.
So I'm guessing that's for this one. Oh, this is just the main,
right,
for like your number 1 and number 2, apparently.
Right, so the number 1 bottom does not need one of these little top things.
Is that bossy bottom?
Oh, yeah, sure.
All right.
So that one goes in there like that.
And you fit it in there snugly, and then you just start pump, pump. Oh shoot! Well, that doesn't take too long. I see.
Because it's a double pump, right?
How do you know when it's full?
Well, when you kind of like push down, put your foot on it. See
It's
how?
getting there.
Yeah, that didn't take what, 3 minutes?
Not even.
And I would say in a couple minutes it's 90% full already.
So I say it's done.
Yeah. Okay, then unplug it. So you can just pull it out.
Because it has a lock stop in there.
Exactly. You know what a lock stop is?
Oops, what am I doing?
Well,
Aren't you
you're
supposed to
squeezing
cap
it.
that?
See, look. When you squeeze it like that,
Yes,
when you
I see
squeeze
that.
it
That's
like
the air
that,
out.
that's how you let the air out. So don't squeeze it. Just plug it in like that.
It's letting air out and then push it down.
Exactly.
That locks it into place.
Right, and that's actually pretty firm already. And that was literally
That
like
was a minute.
3.5, 2 minutes?
Not even.
Okay. And so on the valve number 2, you just unscrew just the square top. There you go, you're getting it.
No, I'm not. The whole thing is unscrewing again.
Alright, so that one,
It's another one that's just like that.
Right.
So in other words, this is kind of a universal pump that can be used for smaller items, but I think all these valves are all pretty much this. No, this might look small.
Right, and again, that small valve over there.
And if you're old like me, you can sit down, do it like this.
With a cocktail in your hand.
Yes, you have one hand free to hold your cocktail.
Alright, so I'm guessing...
You don't need to be filming all this,
So
because this old woman is about to have a heart attack.
But, I mean...
Miss Vasna! Miss Vasna!
I think it takes like maybe 60 seconds to...
It doesn't take long. It's surprising.
blow up...
This pump is adequate. I mean...
It's more than adequate. So it takes like 60 seconds to blow up each...
But it's a workout. It is a workout.
Well, that's the advantage of having 2 people do it.
And like that. And that's nice and snug. So, okay, this is a 2-part valve.
Yeah.
The smaller part is the one where you put the hose in to inflate.
Correct.
The larger part,
Which is underneath the
and
smaller
you'll feel
valve,
it when you see that there's 2 sections.
Is to deflate
Is to
it.
deflate it.
Right.
And all you gotta do is unscrew that
Exactly.
and sit on it.
Shit on it, hooker.
Look at this, George, how easy this is. We are already on section 3, and you can tell clearly that this is a canoe.
A canoe! And look how big it is. It's a size queen.
Number 4. Now here's where you need your attachments, George.
Yeah, and literally, I think it would take like 3 breaths if you...
I think you need your attachments, maybe not.
Yeah, you do. No, you need it. I'm not sure which attachment you need, but...
Gotta figure it out.
There
Maybe
you
that
go.
one. Oh, look at that.
Literally 2 pumps, 3 pumps.
That's done.
That's it. Told you. And you see, those don't have a deflate protection valve, but it's really just a stupid little. You don't even need it inflated. I don't understand. I've never inflated mine on my old.
Oh,
one.
you haven't?
No. All right, but this is the one
That's nice and firm.
It's nice and firm, but this is the one you have to pinch and close, right? All right, so the first one that you inflated is the bottom. Right, and you can see the Velcro on that side right there that goes to the bottom of the boat. And what he's inflating now is the backrest, back rolls. All right, there's your seat.
Now this, goes like, looks like it fits right chair.
Yeah, but I don't understand why this one is so long and that one is not so long.
I don't either, but...
Wait, let's see if the bottom... No, it's not. The same Velcro here is the same size as that Velcro over there on that seat. I guess it doesn't really matter which one it goes on. So, all right. Oh, but wait, Paul, I see. So your clips...
clips up so the seat stays forward when you lean into it.
So the backrest clip right there, and you can adjust those.
Correct. So they pull.
And you can adjust right there.
Just like that.
Yeah, so sit on it. I want to see what you think. If it needs to be tighter. Or...
Oh, it's very cushy, but yeah, I can see this.
So make it tighter.
You want to push these to give you more
back support.
You ain't gonna get much back support out of
Well,
this.
here's what I used to do.
No, how?
Paul, I used to put my ice chest right behind my...
That's a good idea. Because this really is not much support.
Right.
It's like when it's done.
All right, so here's the other seat.
We just haven't inflated
it.
But actually, George, we've determined that it's probably better not to inflate the bottom.
The bottom, right.
Because you're up too high and...
I agree.
But, you know, you can or cannot, whatever.
Right.
See, so like just this one gets inflated too.
Right. The back definitely gets inflated. But see, Paul is not sitting on the bottom cushion. He's just inflated the back support.
Right. And
which is probably better.
Okay. It's comfortable-ish.
So.
And then give me a paddle.
A paddle. Right, like a sleeping bag type of thing.
Mm-hmm.
So when you're deflating it, you roll it up to the size of the bottom width, yeah.
So it'll fit in the bag neatly.
Exactly. Goes on. After it's inflated, of course.
Like this, very simple.
And it clicks.
Clicks right in there. Push these down and pushing it out. Very simple.
And everything fits right back in the big old bag.
Hopefully, this zips up just as easily. It don't look like it's gonna, but...
I think it will. Let's see. Is that the zipper thing?
Look at that.
Ta-da.
Bing, bang, boom. Off we go.
And George has to carry that home.
Yes, I can't. That's it, George.
Feliz Navidad.
Have fun. Enjoy. When's the ambulance coming?
Bless your little heart.